Hi everyone, welcome to Crochet Rocks. I have a bit, I'm going to call it an unboxing. I know it's not a box, an unbagging, an unboxing from a company who I did actually order from once before, maybe twice. I ordered this yarn. Strange it's here actually. Do you remember I made this shawl and I made it with this cello wools and it was purple and it had this absolutely lovely multicoloured glitz. Well, that was cello and I ordered that from this company called the Magic Loop. And I ordered a bit more from them, got some more cello, which was a cream coloured Aran, just plain. And I got that and some more of that, but they didn't have any more. I also got some fluffy stuff, which I did a giveaway. So this company, I believe, are from Lytham St Anne's in the UK. And yeah, they're called the Magic Loop. And they have only taken about a week, I guess, to get this here. And it's nice and it's well packaged. I know that there are lots of people who would much rather have their yarn delivered in boxes because sometimes it can be damaged or, you know, things can happen with this kind of packaging and not everybody likes it. But it's going to rustle. Do apologise. It's that kind of material where it's going to rustle. So I'm going to cut downwards now and see if I can just get access to this. Wow. Ooh, I forgot I ordered that. Now I'm all excited. So, what did we get? I've got some specs at the ready if I need to see. It's always a bonus being able to see. So, first item out. This looks very similar actually to Groove is in the Yarn. Remember the Groove is in the Yarn from Hobbii Craft? Well, it's even packaged in exactly the same way and it feels like it. This is called Yarn Art Harmony and it's beautiful colours. Look at that. It's kind of muted autumn tones. I'm going to have a put my specs on because these are quite small, these bands. Now this colour is just called A3. Let's see if we can see these bands. That's just the washing instructions there. So what we got? Come on already. So it's a 50-gram ball and it's 80 metres. Yeah, 80 metres, 87.49 yards. That's a bit precise. So we have 60% wool and 40% acrylic. And it feels a lot like... well, can see better without those. It feels a lot like the Groove is in the Yarn. I would say that is pretty near identical apart from colours. So I got 4 of those. I wonder what I had in mind when I ordered it. I think I was a bit sleep deprived, so it could have been anything. So right, that's the first one. I like those autumn colours. Secondly, I ordered this. Now this is, oops, I actually could have found some King Cole Melody today. Although not this colour, they didn't have this one, I don't believe. But I got this to try. It's called King Cole Melody DK. It's very, very colourful, this one. I think they did have some melody in the shop that I was in today, but I don't remember seeing this one. And it certainly wasn't as neat. It was all over the place. But I don't think it was this particular one. This is a 100-gram skein ball, whatever you want to call it. And it's approximately 320 yards. This is called Eton Mess. Eton Mess. I'd agree with that. It's a bit of a mismatch of colours, but it's all very beautiful colours. Look at that. It's got this white marbling effect. A lot of yarns do that. The one that I really love from the Poundland has that. But Now, I actually did manage to get some black and white, but I've already ordered, wow, this lot. Look at that, isn't it lovely? Now, this is by Elise, and it's Burkham Batik. It's beautiful. I love it already. So look at that. Doesn't it look scrummy? And where's the end to get in? Am I going to be able to break this open and get back in? I don't believe I am. So we're just going to have to try and look through this, because I don't want to break it if I can't put it back. Looks like I should be able to, but no, it's not. Oh, is this info? Burkham Batik. That's all it says. Handy and very helpful. Wow. Right, so these are 100 grams, 210 meters, 230 yards. And I can't get round that one. That's all it says, really. Having trouble seeing anything else, but I've got a feeling this is Aran, because it is quite chunky, kind of. I hope you can see through that. It's a little bit bright with the light. If I turn the light off, it's very dark now. We're losing the light. Oh, you might just about see there. You can see the actual strands. I think that's an Aran. So they do have their Magic Loop logo on everything. I wonder if you could see this better than I could. Probably with the light on it. It's really just everything written again in other languages. That. So, but I like that. That's very, very nice indeed. I'm going to enjoy working with that. And then, oh wow, I really like this. And I got 2 of these huge cakes. Now, there must be a way into these. Ah, this one there is. Possibly is a way into that one. I'll have a look in a minute. Now I've found a way into this. But look at this cake. It just caught my eye and called to me. Now these were £9.99. I will see if I can find a bill in this bag. No, I actually can't. So usually, you know, you'll get something that will tell you how much, but not this time. But this is a humongous cake, and look at that ombre effect. Isn't that beautiful? I really love this, and I thought I've got to give it a try. Again, it's made by Elise Yarns. It's a 300 gram ball and 510 meters or 557 yards. A lot of this is in another language. Elise exclusive Ombre Batik colouring. Just beautiful, isn't it? Really, really like this. Super Lana Midi. 75% acrylic and 25% wool. It's beautiful. I absolutely love it. So much so I couldn't decide on whether I wanted blue or pink. So I got one of each because I just love blues. Look at that. Isn't that dreamy? Wow. And there is a pattern on here, I think. There's either a pattern or it's just a picture, but they've got it on both. That's not this colour, obviously. They did have that colour, but I liked this one better. Super Lana Ombre Batik. Where are we colour-wise? Oh, does it have a colour? Same amount of yardage and everything else. I'm looking for a colour. Did that one tell me? Can't see it. Let's have a little looky. I've told you all of that. No, I can't see it. It's all the same details. Ah, what have we got here? Ah, colour is 7291. That's all it says. Does this one say the same? 7293. But just love them. They are gorgeous. And I would say they're an Aran weight. They are very thick for DK, I would say. They're either a very thick DK or... But it just... Oh, lack of information I didn't expect, to be honest. But, oh, I'll forgive it. I absolutely love this. Has it got that little symbol that tells you the... No. That's bizarre, isn't it? It's rather odd, but I do love it. I do love the colour. But there's such a lot in these huge cakes. They're beautiful. But then I ordered this. This is not, that's not all there was. There's this as well. And these, I've had Curiosity, King Cole. I've got the Lion King on my head now. King Cole Curiosity cakes. I've had them before, but not this colour. Look at that. Isn't it just breathtaking? I had a kind of a subtle colour before, but there's all these mulberry colours, and they are the same. They're just obviously at different points in the ball. The yarn band always wants to come off these. Always. But, oh, they're just so dreamy. So let's see what we can see. With these 150 gram ball, and this is colour Rhubarb. Isn't it lovely? There's also a number of 2896. So, why would they put black on grey? That is just really not cricket. So there is 524 yards or 480 metres, 100% premium acrylic. But isn't it just beautiful? It is lovely. Now, it's classed as a DK. I've had it before, and it is slightly thinner than this. They're beautiful. I'm so excited. I really like this. So far then, Magic Loop. They were really good with their customer service, because I asked them, they sent me a tracking number, and I had to say to them, I'm sorry, but the tracking number doesn't actually work. So they said, quite bizarrely, that although it was a tracking number, it wasn't that kind of tracking number. So that confused me a little bit. So they said if it hasn't arrived within, like, this was 2 days ago, so within 2 days let us know. So I let them know this morning or last night, I can't remember when I did it, as I was up late, that it hadn't arrived still. But today it did, and I love it. Isn't it beautiful? I can't believe it. I didn't go crazy. Although it's a nice big stuffed bag, I didn't go crazy. I wanted black and white for that poncho, but I bought the other black and white, so I've got lots. And look at that. I am in love with this. Just gorgeous. Heaven only knows what I'm going to make with it. But when I saw this, it just caught my eye so much. And they had such lovely colours. So I'd have to say that the Magic Loop, they've done very, very well. I like it a lot. I really do. But I just wish that it's not their fault, but the Elise yarn bands don't really tell you enough. But then, you know, there's so many of them these days that don't. I really don't know what it is. But I would say that it's a 4-weight, personally. Just it on here. It's light blue with dark blue on top. Just madness. Just madness. I expect you to read it. If it's too... Nope, it's just an address. So anyway, beautiful, or is it beautiful? I just love them. Just going to be looking at them. I have no idea what to make. Any ideas? Any ideas? Obviously, this is going to be something to do with baby, because that's what I got it for. Isn't it just fabulous colours? Just gorgeous. Just really beautiful. But I love the fact that this is called Rhubarb. I think that's what attracted me to it. It does remind me of the rhubarb and custard sweets that you used to get as a child. They were these colours. So I have to say, Magic Loop. That's the cat. Fluffy. Come on then. Come on. Hello. Come say hello. Don't scratch the carpet. There's a good girl. I know. So here's Fluffy. Come to say hello. pulled out my microphone, so hopefully you can still hear me. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like it, and well, if you've got any ideas of what I can make with that beautiful, beautiful yarn. I don't really want to make a shawl. I've got one I don't use, so I use it occasionally, but very rarely. So say bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.